How to make a pineapple ice cream green smoothie.
Voice your opinion. Leave a comment.
First, start with 1 cup coconut water or milk. Next, add 2 cups of fresh or frozen ripe pineapples. Then add 1 ripe banana. Next, add a pinch of salt. Then add 2 pitted dates. Next, add 1/8 of a cup of raw cashews or hazelnuts. Then add 1/4 cup vanilla protein powder. Next, add 1/8 cup of dried unsweetened coconut. Then add 1 cup of kale leaves. Last, add 1 cup of ice. Secure the lid. With Blendtec, press the smoothie button. With Vitamix, start on speed 1, slowly increase to speed 10, then flip to high. Use the tamper if needed. Blend until smooth. This smoothie is great for anyone.
Subscribe to our Blender Babes channel for updates and free giveaways.
Check out more great recipes at blenderbabes.com.